So we're going camping today, and it's my first vlog on a Monday, so happy new Monday upload day. Are you waving at Mo?
Yeah.
Monique's about to get in the car. This morning I woke up way later than I planned to, and it was just one of those mornings where I kept hitting snooze, but I did finally get up. So I went for a run this morning. Had bananas for breakfast. Then I packed for camping. What does one pack in terms of camping?
What would I wear?
Okay, so I've got a bathing suit, sweatpants, tapestry, towel. Hopefully I don't need much more than that. And then I went and picked up Christine, who is chilling beside me.
Hey.
We look like cops. Okay.
Me again. I do go home sometimes, I swear.
Dropped off Bentley at my mom's house. Oh yeah. Come on, little guy. Give me like a second. Love you. I'll see you later. Because she's gonna watch him for the night while we camp, and then we ended up hitting up Walmart.
Yes.
Which was fun. That's charcoal. We need firewood. Where's the firewood? Where's the chapstick? Your $9 chair. Look at that chair. That fire starter is only $2.
Should we get more than one?
I feel like we should.
Yeah, this might have more than one in it. 24 fire
Why
lighters.
is it the cheap one? Oh, we should get stuff for s'mores.
Hello.
And then Starbucks. Grande sugar-free hazelnut coconut milk misto.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hazelnut coconut milk. Misto.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's how we camp. The most basic campers ever.
I was really mad because they tried to say my name was Chrissy and they wrote Christy.
Ailyn. That's the closest they've gotten it in a long time. This misto, try that.
Wanna try mine?
Yeah, I'll try yours.
Oh my god, I like yours so much better.
Get in. Camping. Just get here, first thing she does.
Review?
I want to bathe in that.
Yeah, me too.
Shall we build the tent and build a fire?
Let's do it.
All right, it's time to build our tent. This should be very, very interesting.
You know, I think it's actually just one.
Let me see. I think it's you break. You're supposed to like break it pieces off.
Okay, we'll do that. It looks like brownie.
It smells like wood.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were like, let's just buy stuff.
Pretty much like when I'm camping, I just.
How do you feel about being in the woods?
Well, I am naturally a very outdoorsy kind of girl. Like,
Okay.
I enjoy hiking a lot. You know, I just think I actually could be someone who could just live outside with nothing.
Just like be one with nature.
Thanks.
Beneath fallen ceiling, seal the gates. The forward sound is in. We're off for retreating. A chance for reprieve.
I'm actually kidding. Like I'm not being serious.
much I
Just
know.
let these time escape. Just let this fire fade.
Yeah.
These silver spoons, these scripted dreams.
I'm not checking.
So what's like in my hair?
Good night.
Good night. So I'm officially back from camping. My memory card on this camera totally filled up last night, so I ended up vlogging whatever was left of the night of camping on my phone. We ended up going to sleep, had terrible sleeps. This was such a last minute trip that honestly we pretty much slept on the hard ground. So then we woke up and we drove into town very close to where we were camping. We grabbed like McDonald's, basically like a hash brown and a coffee, then went back to the campsite and took everything down. But yeah, it was just, we took some cool drone footage and then we hit the road home, hopped the ferry, drove home, and then when I was going to drop Christine off, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm craving sushi right now. So we quickly stopped and sat down and had like a really quick sushi. And so I just got home, I switched into some comfier clothes, and I'm gonna upload all of this footage to my computer right now and edit my first Monday vlogs. Every Monday there are going to be a video just like this one uploaded to my channel. So let me know if you guys like that idea by thumbsing this up or letting me know down below. When I pictured my summer this year, I pictured doing things like what last night was, and it was just such a low-key fun night. Let me know if you guys liked this video down below, and aside from that, a happy My Life Monday. Bye guys.